Good afternoon, fellow farmers. I say thank you those who are following, those who have subscribed. Thank you for sharing our videos. Today I'm going to show you, we are going to show you how cows can be comfortable if at all are sleeping well in their barn, and what are those things that make cow be comfortable where it is, or what are complements of a cow comfort. First and foremost, you can see most of you know this thing. Most of the farmers, we call them cow mattresses, and these mattresses help cow to gain comfort in case of resting or in case of sleeping. So this cow, to make or to manufacture milk, there are some things it needs, but first of those things, it is resting, and a cow, it's hard for a cow to rest when it is not comfortable. So to make it comfortable, you have to provide it with this mattress, and it rests. And this mattress will help the cow to process or to chew the cud, and this one will help it to manufacture more milk or to make more milk, and this one will help farmer to get more production in case it's dealing in dairy cows. So comfort is more crucial in case you're having dairy animals, or it is how your cow is sleeping, or how your cow has been slept or rested. And every cow to get milk, it must rest, or we don't encourage dairy cows to move distance to look for food. Water must be in place, and feeds must be in place, and also where it sleeps. That's why you have seen our barn. This is feed trough, and where the feed trough is the opposite feed trough. There is a resting area or a sleeping area, or whereby a cow, after eating, it goes direct and rests. So in that process, it will manufacture more milk. Whereas in terms of nutrition, this one or this setup will help a cow to gain more energy, because it has been resting. Water is this side, bed is this side, and the trough is this side. All in place. You can like it. Wow. Thank you.